Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a free website in a matter of minutes, just like this, using ChatGPT. The best part is I'm going to show you how you can promote products that can make you hundreds of dollars every single day in affiliate marketing sales. So if you want to make money with ChatGPT, more importantly, get a free website out of this and promote affiliate marketing products, make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to show you everything step by step. Let's get straight into it. So step one in this strategy, in order to create a free website for yourself, what you want to do is come over to Google and type in Google Sites, and then scroll down and click onto Google Sites Sign In. It's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. You probably won't have any recent sites if you haven't created any. These are all the ones that I've created. What you want to do from here is click onto Start a New Site. Once you click onto this blank page, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks something like this. Now from here, what you want to do is, you can see here you've got this background image, and you want to change this background image to whatever niche you want to do this in. Now I'm going to do this in a similar niche to what I've done this in before, which is health and fitness. And let's just think about it. I wanted to create a website on weight loss as an example. So you can come over here and click onto change image. So once you do that, you can go to upload or select. Now, if you've got an image that you want to use of your own, or you want to create one on Canva, you absolutely can. Or you can quite simply select, and it's going to allow you to use Google free images. Okay, so just click on to select and then scroll up to the top over here, and you can see that you just go to search. So once you go to search, just type in something like keto as an example. So let's just say we wanted to do a website about keto. We know that keto does extremely well, and there's a lot of products that you can also promote on this that can make you a lot of money. So you just type in keto and click on to search, and you can be able to see all these different types of images that you can potentially use. So let's just use something like this. So you can click onto that and just go to select, and you can see that this is going to create that background for you. Okay, what we now need to do is we need to add our own page title. This is going to be the main title of your website. So this is where you really want to tell people what this website is about. If you want to niche down a fair bit, you can do something that I did. So if I come over to my website, it's easy weight loss tips and resources. This is purely on weight loss. But let's say you wanted to do something and you want to niche down even more, and you just wanted to make it specific about keto. Now, before I continue with this video, guys, I just forgot to remind you that if you want to get my ultimate affiliate marketing guide, all you need to do is go down the bottom and click onto the first link in my description. I'm going to send you this. This is what I do to make anything from $100 to $500 every single day with affiliate marketing. It's a little guide. It's absolutely free. Click onto that link in the description and grab it right now. And do me a favor, go down the bottom and comment. Let me know, what is your weekly goal? How much are you looking to make every single week, so that I know the types of videos that I can make for you. So just go down the bottom and comment, and make sure you smash this like button in appreciation for this video. So like I said, you can either do something just on weight loss tips, or you can look to niche down even further. Let's just niche down even more. So you can very easily type in something like this: how to lose weight quickly with keto. So quite simply, you want to highlight this. You can click onto bold. As you can see, it's going to look like that. Then what you can do is you can click onto these three little dots, go to more, and then click onto this highlight color. You can highlight this yellow like this, and then it's just going to stand out a little bit more. Now what we need to do with these websites is we need to start putting articles inside these, because we're going to drive a lot of traffic to these articles that are going to have affiliate links in there. So if you take a look at my one over here, if we scroll down, you can see I've got 5 tips for weight loss. If we scroll down over here, does keto really help you lose weight fast? And when I drive traffic to these, people will come over here, they'll click onto this, and this will drive them over to these different types of articles. And these are the articles that I'm going to show you how to create with ChatGPT. So very simply, when you're on your own page over here, on the bottom over here, on the right hand side, sorry, you're going to see that you've got this text box, you've also got these content blocks, etc., and you can choose exactly what you want to use. So what we're going to do is we're going to click onto this content block. So this is the first one that we're going to use. We're going to click onto that, and as you can see, it's going to create this block exactly like I've got on my one over here. Now what we want to do is we want to create an image. So what you want to do again is click onto this plus sign. You can very easily select an image. Okay, so that's exactly what we're going to do. And when you're on this page, just go to Google Images, and then quite simply, again, just type in keto. You can type in keto meals, for example, hit enter, and it's going to show you different images of different meals. Click onto that, okay, and then just go to insert, and that's going to give us an image. Now what we want to do is we want to title this image or this article as if somebody was coming over here to learn something about keto. Now remember, our whole website is how to lose weight quickly with keto. So what you can do is type in something like, does keto really help you lose weight fast? Because people are interested in knowing that. So these are the types of questions that we're going to find that people are looking for. Then what you want to do down the bottom here is just tell them that they can read this particular article that's going to explain this very question to them. Just like I have over here, you can see he says, does keto really help you lose weight fast? Here is an article that explains the benefits of keto and how it can help you lose weight. So this is exactly what you want to type in. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So if I just copy this just to save us some time and paste this in here, then at the end of it, I'm just going to remove this link that I currently have here. Okay, I'm going to type in, click here. Okay, now this is where they're going to click, and it's going to take them over to the article that we are about to create. So quite simply, you want to leave this like this. Now what we need to do is we need to come up to the top on this site, and you can see here we've got pages. Okay, so we want to click onto pages, and now what we want to do is we want to scroll down. You've got this plus sign down the bottom, and you want to click onto this new page. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to title this page, and we're going to title this page the exact same question that we have over here. So we're going to copy this, then again we're going to click onto this plus new page, and this is what we are going to title it, and we're going to click on to done. Now it's taken us over to this page. Again, it's automatically pre-populated this for us, which is fantastic. You can highlight this, click onto bold, come over here, click onto these three little dots, and we're going to make this yellow background just so it stands out and pops. Now what we want to do is we want to click onto insert. Okay, and as you can see, this is where we are going to insert all our information. There's a few options that we have. If we wanted to add an image first, like I did on mine over here, if you scroll down, so let me just show you, you can see that I've got an image. You can add an image if you wanted to, or you can go straight into this article. It's completely up to you. So if we want to go straight into the article, what you will do is you would click onto text box. Okay, so you can click onto this, and as you can see, we have a text box. Now what we want to do is come straight over to ChatGPT, and this is what you want to do. You want to ask it to write me a 400-word article on the benefits of eating keto and how it helps you lose weight. Then what you want to do is just click onto this little icon so you can start writing, and as you can see, it's going to write this awesome article for you, which I've done to save us a little bit of time. So it's written all this. So quite simply, you can come over here, guys, you can copy all this. So right mouse click copy, then come straight back over to your article, and you want to paste this in there. I'm just going to highlight this and just change the color to black. Okay, so to do that, just come over where it's got the gray and just click onto black, and as you can see, there is our article. Now what we can do is I actually went over to ChatGPT and I asked it to write a little bit more. Okay, if I scroll down, you can see I wrote, what are some of the benefits you can expect to feel when you start eating keto? Give me 10 points. Okay, so I just wanted to make it a little bit longer and a little bit more detailed. Okay, so again, you can just come over here, you can copy all this, okay, come straight back over to your site and paste that in there, and you can add a title in here as well if you wanted to. Now what you want to do is you want to have a call to action. You want people to click onto that link to purchase a product. Now, in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to come over to websites like clickbank.com to get an affiliate marketing product to promote. Once you sign up for ClickBank and you come over to their back office, what you want to do is come over to their marketplace. Now, quite simply, if we're looking for a keto product, you can come over to search and just type in keto as an example. Hit enter, and it's going to find different products. Then what we want to do is quite simply under sort results by, you want to go for gravity high. We want to find a product that's converting at the moment so that we can also promote this product. We know that people are buying. It's going to give us the best opportunity to make our first affiliate marketing sale. So quite simply scroll down and take a look at all the different products that you can promote. One really good product, guys, is this one over here called the Custom Keto Diet. Not only does it have a really good gravity score, that's the first thing that's really important. The second one is, as you can see, it's got a reoccurring bill. And what this means is that people continue to use this product, continue to purchase this product on a reoccurring basis. So you make a sale once, you continue to make money month in, month out. And the average conversion per customer is $180. So when somebody signs up, you can expect on average that you're going to make about $180 per customer. So what we want to do is we want to promote this product. In order to promote this product, you want to click on to promote and then scroll down, click on to create hop link. Okay, and this is the link that we are going to use to promote this product. Click on to copy. Now that we have this product, we want to come over to our article on this website, and what we want to do is we want to create a call to action. Now you can put this call to action throughout this article a few times, and don't worry, keep watching guys, because I'm going to show you how you're going to get free traffic to this. You won't believe how simple it is. Plus we're going to be using ChatGPT. So if you're still at this point, let me know by smashing that like button in appreciation, and go down the bottom and comment. Let me know that you got to this point. We're getting to the good bit, how you're going to get this free traffic. So make sure you keep watching. So what you want to do is you want to tab down, and this is where you want to add a call to action. Now you can look something like this. So all I've done is typed in, click here to get your very own custom keto diet and start eating healthy today. You can also type in, start losing weight today, etc. Then what you want to do is you want to highlight this. Once you highlight it, you want to come up to the top. You've got this little insert link chain over here. You want to click onto that, and this is where you want to paste that link, and you want to click onto apply. So quite simply click onto apply there, and that's, you can see it's gone onto this. So now you can highlight this again. You can click onto bold, click onto italic, just make it pop a little bit more. Then what you want to do is you want to copy this. Okay, so just copy that. Then what we can do is we can also insert this one more time over here, and if you want, you can also add it to the bottom as well. So you can add it in a few more times, okay, so that people click onto it. Now, if you wanted to keep adding to this article, you can just keep asking ChatGPT to give you even more information on keto, ketosis, whatever you want. ChatGPT will give you all the information, and all you need to do is add it. But I think this looks really cool. Does keto really help you lose weight? We've got all the information here. The other thing that you can do if you wanted to is you could add in a title as well. I'll show you what mine looks like in a second. If we come over to my website over here and we take a look at mine, I've got here are the benefits of eating keto and how it helps you lose weight. I've got that title in there, so you can add that. And also, before I added those 10 points, I put here are some of the benefits you can expect to feel when you start eating your keto diet. Okay, so you can put in a few titles. So if I was to copy the first one, I'll just show you exactly how you can do that. So if I copy this and we come over to mine, so I don't have to type it up again. Okay, if we paste this in there, all you would need to do when you type it up is highlight it. Okay, then come over here to heading, and you can see you've got heading, you've got title, etc. And all you need to do is click onto bold. Okay, you can even make it italic if you wanted to. It's completely up to you. You can also highlight it, and you can even put it in the center, just so it looks a little bit more professional and a little bit better. So there you go. Very, very simple title that you can add in. What you now need to do is you want to come over to where you've got pages. Click onto these three little dots. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to scroll down and click onto hide from navigation. Okay, and the reason for that is, I'm just going to come over and click onto this. It's going to remove it from the top, because what you want when we go to our home page over here, you want to scroll down, you want to highlight this click here. Okay, once you do that, you want to click onto this link chain again, and this is automatically going to give you the option of that page that you just created. You don't need to highlight anything or do anything. You just want to click onto this and then click onto apply. And now you can highlight this and you can make this bold and italic again, just to make it stand out. So now what people are going to see when they're on the front page of your website is they're going to see how to lose weight quickly with keto. Then they're going to see this. Does keto really help you lose weight fast? Here is an article that explains benefits of keto and how it can help you lose weight. Click here. When they click here, it's going to take them straight over to this article. When they scroll down and click onto this, it's going to take them straight over to that product, which, as you can see, is this ClickBank link. When you click onto that, now that's just giving me the option of redirect. When people click onto it on a website, it's not going to do that. It's going to bring them straight over to this page. When they purchase this, you are going to get paid. So now what we need to do, now that we've created this, there's a few things that you can do. You can go out and you can put in 2 or 3 more products. It's entirely up to you. But now what we need to do is we need to drive traffic to this site. Now, if I come up to the top and I click on to publish, you're going to see it's going to ask me to create my own URL, my own website name. But it's going to start with https://sitestylegoogle.com. okay, view, and this is where you're going to add your web address. If I start typing, you're going to see it's going to add that to the end. So what you can do is you can type in something like keto weight loss tips, and luckily this is actually available. If it's not, you're going to see it's going to tell you that the website is not available and you need to search for something else. Now, really important down here is do not tick this, because if you tick this, this is going to request public search engines to not display your site, but you do want them to display it, because when you type up these articles, you still do stand a chance for it to be shown on Google and potentially rank as well if you do your SEO really well. But I'm going to show you how to get traffic without having to worry about that anyway. So leave that as is. Now all you need to do is click on to publish. This website is now published, and if you copy this link, okay, you're going to see this is the link. If we copy this link, this is the link that we're going to use to drive traffic. If we come over to a blank page over here and we click onto this, you can see that this is what our website looks like now. It's only got the one page. We can obviously add to that. Then you can click here. It's going to take us straight over to that article, and as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. Now what we need to do is we need to drive traffic, and one of the best places to drive traffic is to use platforms like Quora.com. So when you're on Quora, what you want to do, the first thing is you want to come over here and you want to type in things like, can you lose weight eating keto, or how to lose weight with ketosis, and everything to do with keto. Is keto good for you? Is keto bad for you? Everything that you can, you want to come over and you want to start answering these different types of questions. So the first one that I found over here is ketogenic diet good for weight loss? This ties in directly with what we are looking to do. So we want to answer this question, okay? So in order to answer this question, you want to copy this exact same question. You want to come over to ChatGPT, and as you can see, I've got, is ketogenic diet good for weight loss? Write a 200-word answer on the benefits. As you can see, this is exactly what I've asked ChatGPT to do. So you want to come over here, you want to highlight this. Okay, you want to copy this. Now what you want to do is you want to come over to Quora. As you can see, this is the question, and you want to click on to answer. Once you click on to answer this, you can see here that I've typed this up, already copied and pasted this in here. Now what we want to do is we want to have a call to action on Quora that's going to take these people over to your website. So you're not promoting an affiliate link, you're just promoting a website, and that website has affiliate links on it. So Quora is not going to ban you for putting up these really good answers. You don't have an affiliate link, it's a link to Google Sites. Quora does allow you to link back to good information and websites. So what you want to do is come over here and add a call to action, and it needs to look something like this. All right, so all I've typed in is, if you want more detailed information on how to lose weight quickly using keto, read this article now. So quite simply, guys, you want to highlight this, you want to scroll down, you want to click onto this big A, little a. What this is going to do is it's going to allow you to bring up this little link chain. You're going to click onto that, and this is where you want to paste that link to your Google site website that you just created, and then click on to add. Once you click on to add, you can see that that's been highlighted now. You can click on to bold, you can underline that as well. Put it on italic, it's already underlined. And this is what this is going to look like. You can again copy this. So we can copy this. You can scroll down and then add it one more time down the bottom. Again, if you want ChatGPT to give you more information on this answer, just ask it to give you even more. So you can see here that when I copied and pasted that, it came up like this, showing you what this website looks like. This is what happens if you copy and paste what you've already got in here. If you don't want it to look like this, and all you need to do is retype this in and relink it. It's completely up to you. You may want to leave this one that looks like this, and then this one over here that looks a little bit different as well, so people can see what this looks like. Once you've done this, what you want to do is quite simply click on to post. Once you click on to post, what this is going to do now, as you can see, it's going to answer this question. And this is what this looks like. As you can see, this is now answered. People can come over here and they can read this. If they click onto this link, guys, it's going to take them straight over to this website. You can see there's still no affiliate links. Then they're going to come over here. If they're interested, they're going to read this. Once they read this and they scroll down and they click onto these different types of products, you stand a very good chance to make money online with affiliate marketing. All that's left for you to do now is to come back over to your website, guys, and continue to add even more of these different types of articles. Now, like I said, guys, at the start of this video, if you want to know other ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing, go down the bottom, click onto that link in my description and grab this ultimate affiliate marketing guide. I'll send it to you via email. You can go through it. This is how I make money with affiliate marketing.